What's up, guys? I was out here working on the Monte again today. I didn't film what I was doing, but I'm going to give you an update and show you what I was doing. Now, I rebuilt this piece, made a new one right here. I didn't like the old one at all. Two, I hope y'all can see this. See, ouch, I can't see nothing in my camera screen. See, I built that piece, so that's brand new all the way down. So when I built this piece, got it tacked in here. I got some holes right here I got to fix, and then I got a little bit pick. I'll stick that up and try to get that a little bit. Well, that's not too bad at all. I think I'm just gonna weld it. And then, just for grins, here's my trim piece. And I'm not, well, once I get this in the 100% right position, I'm not too far off. So when I build this little piece to turn to here, I'll just leave it on the outside and that'll fix that. So when I build that little curved piece, because I got to have a channel right here for the window to sit in, to here, I'm going to just come off of here, bend me a little piece over, and then bend me a piece to fit this curve. So I'll probably cut this curve first, tack it in, and then build this other piece to slide under it, and then mark it, cut it, tack it all together right there. So it's not, I didn't completely weld this yet, and I still have to cut this off, but that's how it looks. And I mean, once I get the body filler on it, the kitty hair, I don't think you'll ever be able to tell. I got to do the exact same thing for the other side. Now, this is not sitting 100% where it's supposed to be, so I might be right on. So I'm not going to get in too big of a panic yet. I need to bang out a dent here underneath, because that's a little too deep to fill. And then I got to hammer all this straight, so this will be a straight line. But other than that, guys, it's coming along pretty good. Just wanted to give y'all a quick update. I'm liking it. For this major of rust repair and being a shade tree mechanic, I really don't think it's coming out too bad. So I think, yeah, from that point all the way around to here, my rust is fixed. So I just got to weld it, grind it, cut, make this little piece right here. And then, like I said, I want to turn this piece from here to here, 3/4 of an inch thick, and make that piece. And then I'm going to build me a piece that bends and comes under, and then I'll mark it and cut it, and I'll tack weld all that out together outside the car, and then probably on the back side. But that's about it for today. I mean, I didn't video any of this. And I do have one other thing I need to show y'all before I end this video, but it's coming along. I'm hoping I can get out here a little bit tomorrow, but I don't think the weather's going to be cooperative. So, all right. Hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted y'all to see this. I officially put my first 150 miles on this truck. It was at 5850 when I started driving it, and now I'm at 6,000. So I thought that'd be just a cool little thing. So I just thought that'd be kind of cool to share. Now I just got to drive the truck 94,000 more miles to get my money out of it. All right, see ya. I just wanted to share my very special Christmas gift I got this year for Christmas from my dad. These are 1972 license plates. In the state of Texas, if the year of the license plate matches the year of the car and they're in good shape, which these are, they'll give me a little deal down here, a little metal plate, and I'll put a sticker right here to tell the cops that, hey, I'm legal. Just a pretty cool. This is the only thing underneath the tree at my dad's house. And so they must have been pretty expensive because he's on a budget, just like everybody else is on a budget. So I really was happy to get these. I've been wanting these ever since I got the car. And, you know, there's 2 plates here. I have to run a front one and a back one in Texas. If I have these plates, if I'm running the regular antique plates, there's only one that goes on the back. But and then also running these plates like this, running the antique plates here in Texas, you pay what you pay for a normal vehicle for a year. You get 5 years of license plates because it can't be a daily driver, so on, so on. You're supposed to only drive it to parades, to the mechanics, and whatever else. But people around here, they drive them all the time. I mean, not every day, but just, you know, on the weekends or whatever, just to be out cruising them. And we don't get messed with. But if you think, tell me what you think of these. Do you like them? Do you think they're going to look good on the Monte Carlo? Also, if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe. I need subscribers bad. And I'll try to keep putting out quality content. I'm already working on another project that I'm thinking about buying. It'll be a flip. So please hit that bell. Please hit that like button. Please comment. And I'll see you on the next one.